All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking stickers. All right, if you don't know him, ThomasEXOVCDS, that guy right there, ThomasEXOVCDS, made up a bunch of custom stickers and put my ugly face on one of them. Don't ask me why, but he did. And he sent me a bunch. I'll show some close-ups. He also did Rob from One Auto. He did Donner Automotive, Leon, Erico from South Main Auto. Sent me a bunch of me. Supposed to be sending me one of Erico, but I haven't gotten it yet, so come on, Thomas. If you guys want these stickers, send me an email at flatratemaster@gmail.com. It'll be in the description, as it always is. Send me an email with your name, address. I will ship you one of these out. Now, these are limited availability. I only got what I got. I didn't pay for them, Thomas did, so if you want them, let me know. So, again, if you want some, let me know. Send me an email with your name and address. I'll get them shipped out to you. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.